had a storm and wind damage back in August of 23, and I had a lot of damage on my vents and shingles and skylight, so had to be replaced. Platinum was very communicative and asked lots of questions and wanted to know if I had any questions, and had people come out and take pictures and told me everything that was going to be done. And the crew was here only from probably one day, and they cleaned up very well. They were very friendly, and they did the job very nicely. I had information that the company has been around for a long time. They showed me their success rate and all the things that they accomplished, and I was very happy that they were from the city's area, and it wasn't somebody that just came by and asked if I needed a roof done. My overall experience with Platinum has been wonderful. I would recommend them highly to anyone in the area or for the metro area.